As the gaming industry continues to push the boundaries of technology, PC gaming enthusiasts are constantly on the lookout for the latest and greatest peripherals to enhance their gaming experience. One crucial component that can greatly impact gameplay is the gaming mouse. In this article, we will explore the top contenders for the best PC gaming mice in 2023, offering unrivaled precision and performance. Whether you're a casual gamer or a seasoned pro, these cutting-edge mice will elevate your gaming sessions to new heights. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below. That help us to find the best one for your budget. Number 1. Razer Death Adder Essential Gaming Mouse. Razer. The Razer Death Adder Essential Gaming Mouse features a high-precision 6400 DPI optical sensor with on-the-fly sensitivity adjustment, durable mechanical switches that support up to 10 million clicks, high-precision 6400 DPI optical sensor, durable, mechanical switches that support up to 10 million clicks, ridged, rubberized scroll wheel for maximum accuracy, 5 programmable buttons for customization, and a ridged, rubberized scroll wheel for maximum accuracy. It also has 5 programmable buttons that allow for button remapping and assignment of complex macro functions through Razer Synapse. This PC gaming mouse is backed by a 2-year warranty. Number 2. Logitech G502X Plus Lightspeed Wireless Optical Mouse. The Logitech G502X Plus Lightspeed Wireless Optical Mouse is a black and white gaming mouse that features Lightforce hybrid switches for incredible speed and reliability, LightSync RGB4, customizable 8 LED lighting, and Hero 25K gaming sensor for high-precision accuracy. It also has redesigned DPI shift and dual-mode scroll wheel for precise customization, and additional personalizable controls. The wireless connectivity is pro-grade with faster response rate and improved reliability, and it is PowerPlay compatible for wireless charging, sold separately. Number 3. Red Dragon Wired Gaming Mouse. With RGB backlit and programmable buttons, the Red Dragon Gaming Mouse is a wired PC gaming mouse with 8000 DPI adjustable and a rapid fire button for a smooth, fast response and accurate tracking gaming experience. It has 5 RGB backlit modes to customize the gaming atmosphere, and 9 programmable macro buttons for different gaming purposes. The ergonomic design fits any hands and provides long-lasting comfort. For players, it is compatible with Windows and Mac systems. Number 4. Razer Naga Trinity Gaming Mouse. The Razer Naga Trinity Gaming Mouse offers high-precision 16000 DPI optical sensor with on-the-fly sensitivity adjustment, up to 19 programmable buttons, and customizable chroma RGB color profiles. It also has full modular customizability, with 3 interchangeable side plates, ridged rubberized scroll wheel for maximum accuracy, and durable mechanical switches that support up to 50 million clicks. Number 5. Logitech G305 Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Logitech G305 Wireless Gaming Mouse offers a Hero gaming sensor, Lightspeed wireless technology, ultra-long battery life, lightweight design, and portable convenience. The Hero sensor provides exceptional accuracy and responsiveness with up to 12,000 DPI sensitivity. The ultra-fast Lightspeed wireless technology offers a lag-free gaming experience, and the G305 boasts an incredible 250 hours of continuous gameplay on a single AA battery.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.